Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can send scheduled email in Google Mail. Let's get started. Open your Gmail app on your phone. After that, you should create new email by clicking on this compose button. Then choose the recipient of your email right here. You have to write the recipient of your Gmail. Wait for a moment, guys. I'm still writing it. And you can put the subject of the email right here. And write your email. And after you finish writing your email, you can click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for you. And you have to choose schedule send right here. And pick the date and time you would like to send the email by clicking on this option. And after you pick the date and time, you can click on this button. Click on schedule send. And we can check it by clicking on this button and choose choose the scheduled option. And if you want to cancel the scheduled mail, you can click on the email that you have written. Just click on it. Then you can click on cancel send. Wait for a moment. Alright, you can click cancel send if you want to cancel the email. Alright guys, that's how we can send scheduled email in Google Mail. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.